We can talk about this. 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 We can talk. Push my. Okay. How do I push my opponents? Yeah. Oh. Oh my days. Yo. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep, bro. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to sleep. Don't even try me. Don't even try me. Yo, my inventory is too fucking fat and full. No! I died to a big poop monster, bro. For that. Okay. No. Hey, bad. How's life? Yo, calm down. Oh. Yeah. What the fuck? Goat, go. Why is there? Oh my god. Oh, check out this. Oh. What? What? That was not a play. Get out of here! Yeah. No. What? Why is it? Am I not getting something? I see, you're trying to give a height. Oh my god, he's an everett chest plate. Come on, cow, let's go. Come on, cow. We don't need to fight these barbarians, cow. No, we don't need to. Me and my cow, we're gonna have a great time. We're gonna leave you alone, okay? Leave us alone, and we'll leave you alone. You don't wanna face a mighty wrath with me. I bet you didn't see that coming. Ah! No. Just get out of here, buddy. What are these two doing? Oh my god, bro. Yo, what? That's so much. Stop giving me items! Yo. So, how have you been? I forgot these guys can climb. Do not climb on me. Do not climb. No. Hold on. We can talk about this. What? Dried ghost, go. We can talk about this. Outplayed. I don't take milk back. I want to make myself a little shelter. Are they just teaming? Oh my god, why is it always teamers, bro? Surely he's not teaming, right? Because if he is, I pretty much have no chance of winning. Vexes though. Yes! Yes, I win! I don't know how I won.